Hello and a warm welcome. It is wonderful that you have found your way here. Are you here because your mind is constantly racing, leaving your body feeling tense as a result? Have you felt recently that your to-do list is running your life and not the other way around? Or perhaps you know the feeling of constant tension all too well. Even in the evening, you can still feel that tension sitting in your shoulders, your neck, or your jaw. Many of us try to counteract this by simply lying down, but often our thoughts just continue to race. That's because our nervous system is running on constant alert and has forgotten how to switch into rest mode. And that is precisely why you are here now. That alone is a sign that a part of you is longing for peace, for a place where your nervous system can finally regenerate. Don't worry. In the next few minutes, we will gently guide it back, giving your mind and body a chance to relax and regenerate. Before we begin, take a brief look around your room. Notice where you are, and then find a position where you can feel truly comfortable for the next few moments. Whether you are sitting or lying down, the only important thing is that your body has to hold as little as possible. Arrange yourself so that you feel supported. Feel free to take a moment to roll your shoulders or reposition your legs. What's more important than perfect is that your body feels safe enough to let go a little. And when you have found your position and it feels right, gently close your eyes now. Let's begin with your breath. Take a conscious breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Without trying to change anything. This isn't about breathing correctly, but simply about noticing that you are breathing. Feel the air as it passes by your nostrils, how your chest rises as you inhale and falls again as you exhale. Let your next breath become a little deeper. Inhale. Hold for a moment, and slowly exhale for longer. With each exhale, a little bit of tension is allowed to flow away. You don't have to actively push anything away. You are just allowing your body to become a few millimeters softer. One more time. Breathe in deeply. Feel the space within you. And as you exhale, let your shoulders sink a little lower. One last time. Inhale. And very slowly, lovingly, exhale. Everything is allowed to soften now. Perhaps you can imagine your inner state like a dial. A moment ago, it might have been turned up quite high. Alert, tense, in functional mode. But with each breath, you can now turn this dial down just a little. Not from 100 to 0, just from too much in the direction of serenity. And if thoughts arise, plans, memories, self-criticism, that is not a sign that you're doing it wrong. It only shows that your nervous system has had a lot to carry. Briefly notice the thoughts and invite them to fade into the background for this session. You don't have to remove them. You don't have to solve them. Just imagine that your thoughts are like sounds from a radio, and you are now actively choosing not to listen to them, as if you were simply leaving the room and walking into the one next door. The sounds are still there, but they are now running in the background. You can perceive them without having to follow them, because you are now consciously choosing not to focus your attention there. Your attention is here, in your safe place. Thoughts have no power here. Your only focus is the deep peace that surrounds you. Now, gently guide your attention up to your face. Imagine a soft breeze stroking your skin. Your forehead becomes completely smooth. The small space between your eyebrows relaxes completely. All the focused thinking is allowed to rest now. Your eyes rest deeply and peacefully in their sockets. Let your cheeks become soft. Consciously release your jaw. Let your teeth separate just a little. Your lips can be slightly parted. Your tongue lies broad and relaxed in your mouth. Every last trace of tension leaves your face. Now, gently wander with your attention to your neck. Allow your neck to become long and free. And from there, come to your shoulders. Let them sink down deep, far away from your ears. Imagine as if gentle, invisible hands are touching your shoulders, lovingly lifting any pressure from them. You don't have to carry this burden right now. The relaxation flows from your shoulders like gentle, warm water into your upper arms, over your elbows, into your forearms, all the way down into your hands. Feel your palms, every single finger. They are resting in your lap or beside your body. And with every exhale, tension flows out of your body through your arms and hands, like excess energy being discharged. They no longer have to hold on, no longer have to control. Completely heavy, completely relaxed. Now, gently feel into your chest, your heartbeat, steady, reliable, and secure. The space around your heart opens. The pleasant warmth flows further into your back, the upper back, the area between your shoulder blades that has carried so much responsibility today. Let it become completely heavy now, and feel how every single vertebra of your lower back is lovingly supported. With each exhalation, every little bit of tension simply melts away like soft wax. Now, also allow your belly to be very, very soft. Especially when we are scared or angry, we often unconsciously hold our belly hard and tense. Let that go now. Your belly is allowed to be soft. Feel how your abdominal wall gently rises with each natural breath and softly falls again. Here, everything is allowed to be exactly as it is. You are safe. Continue at your own calm pace to your pelvis. Your pelvis is your center. Let it become heavy. And from here, let the relaxation flow down your legs like warm, liquid honey into your thighs. Notice the large muscles, front and back. Do you feel how they are becoming heavier? Let the relaxation flow over your knee joints, down into your calves. Feel how the muscles here become completely soft. They don't have to hold on to anything anymore. Now let this gentle warmth travel all the way into your feet. Feel the soles of your feet, whether they are resting gently on the floor or resting softly to the side. Feel your heels, every single toe. They have carried you through this entire, perhaps exhausting day. Now they are allowed to rest. All the tension, all the hurry flows out of them, deep down into the earth. Your legs and feet are now completely relaxed, deeply rooted and secure. Now feel your entire body as a whole, from your feet to the crown of your head. Perhaps everything feels a bit heavier, perhaps calmer, or maybe just a touch less overloaded. That is more than enough, because your nervous system doesn't learn in great leaps, but in exactly these kinds of small, repeated moments where it recognizes it is allowed to let go of a piece of the stress too. And if you wish, now imagine a place where you instinctively feel safe. A spot in nature, your favorite armchair, a place from your childhood, a memory, a vacation, or a fantasy. You don't have to see it clearly. It is enough to just feel a tendency, like an old song reminding you of a very specific moment. For a few breaths, let your body pretend that you are right there. What would your posture be? What would your breath be like? How much tension could fall away here? Your entire body is now enveloped in deep, peaceful rest. From the crown of your head to the soles of your feet. You are safe. All the micro-tension from typing, holding, grasping is allowed to rest for this moment. All the conversations, all the to-dos, all the expectations, they have no entry here anymore. Your system is allowed to heal. Your mind is allowed to rest. For a while now, just let yourself be carried by this healing silence. You have to do absolutely nothing. You don't have to hold up a mask. Here, for a moment, you are allowed to just be you. Very gently, very carefully, let your attention return to your breath. Feel the steady rise and fall of your chest. Become aware of the space around you again. Feel the surface that is supporting you so securely. And when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Remember, you don't have to go through life perfectly regulated. It is enough to create these little islands of time for yourself, again and again, in which your nervous system feels, I am not just working, I am also allowed to arrive. Thank you for being here. Thank you for giving yourself this time. If you would like, I would be overjoyed to read in the comments how you felt after this little journey. What difference were you able to notice? Your experience can also be a great inspiration to others. And if you don't want to miss more of these loving practices for your nervous system and gentle tips for more serenity in everyday life, then please subscribe to this channel. Take good care of yourself. Until next time.